Hello, this is Laura Angel with the DeSoto County Extension Office. I just wanted to encourage you to embark in a learning adventure with us. I want you to come on down to the DeSoto County Extension Office and join us in learning this month, the month of October. We still have Extension Brown Bag Grab and Go kits available for you to pick up, but now on a monthly basis. So come on in, and we have a bag packed with 4 activities this month. You can learn about growing ferns, growing echinacea, and how to remove a tick safely. And last but not least, you can learn about food safety and about how to home gate safely. So we have awesome, and when I say awesome, we have some awesome things inside here. And so everybody is going to get a really nice meat thermometer or a digital thermometer in order to home gate or tailgate safely at home. So come on to the DeSoto County Extension Office. This one is really cool, and so there's different types of thermometers, but we have really nice digital thermometers available in this month's grab bag. You have fern spores in order to plant to grow your own ferns for next year. You have echinacea seeds to plant so that you can have wildflowers next year. And last but not least, we included information and tweezers on how to properly remove a tick safely. And so this learning grab and go kit this month is packed with information that you do not want to miss out on. We hope that you drop by the DeSoto County Extension Office at 3260 Highway 51 South. You can come in Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Enter the main front door of our office and come and get one out of the hallway. Last but not least, you also can pick up previous weeks and months bags from 2 local libraries. You can visit the South Haven Library, or you can visit the Olive Branch Library, the public libraries, and pick up a brown bag grab and go kit from there if you missed one of our previous months. We hope you have a great day and stay safe out there, and come embark in a learning adventure with us this month. Have a great one.